Hi everyone and hi doctor. My name is Kishan and my material number is 297771 and this is my presentation for assignment 1 security architecture. Okay, I designed a secure network architecture for a small accounting company called Doni Secure Books Accounting. Since the company handles sensitive financial data, I apply a strong network security assumes such as least privilege, zero trust, uh, defense in depth, fail safe defaults, secure communication, and also continuous monitoring. And this design is built using a simple devices such as router, switches, servers, and also PCs. Okay, and this is the overview of my topology. There are two switches and one router, and also total of 7 PCs, which is two staff PCs, two management PCs, and also three guest PCs. PC plus at the end, we have four servers, which is web server, mail server, file server, and also backup server. Okay, next we will go to the. Also, we also have. Let me show you the VLANs that we have. This one. VLAN brief. Okay. Uh, Sorry. Wait. Let me go first. Show VLAN brief. Okay, okay, these are the VLANs that we are allocated for switch one for management, staff, servers, backup, all this. Then now we will see for the VLANs which allocated for switch two. Okay, will show VLAN. Okay, these are the VLANs that we ported to the switch two. Okay. Now also we will go for the next we'll go for the mm, security assumes that I apply for this. Okay, we have total, as I said, we have least privilege, defense in depth. For least privilege, we have staff VLAN can access only to servers that need it, and guests cannot access to any internal VLAN. Then defense in depth, we put what are the defense are the VLANs, ACLs, then server authentication, backup isolation, and also port shutdown. Then zero trust, no automatic trust between VLANs. All access must be explicitly allowed. Then the next is the uh fail safe default. Fail fail safe default is like ACL ends with deny all. So that means it's something like it will end when all that denied. Then unused switch ports are shut down. So any unused switches, the ports will shut down automatically. Then secure communication, which is SSH on the router, HTTPS on the web server, and TLS on the mail server. Plus, then continuous monitoring as usual, we have logs and check regularly, ACL review monthly, and regular security updates. Then next, okay, now we are the topology. This is my topology for this assignment. And then also, let me show you some demo regarding the ping, whether it's working or not. Okay, for example, now let me show you. If I took a staff, okay, let me show staff. Okay, now I want to ping okay, for example, file server. Okay. Mm, okay, let me copy and paste this IP address. Okay, and then let me ping in. Okay, ping. Okay, So now you can see it's allowing. That means this is what we wanted. Like as I explained, when the staff, like how to say, we can see the ping is successful because this allows the staff VLAN to reach the server VLAN. Okay, now we will try to go for switch guest. As we say, our ACL that not allowing the guest PC to ping the internal VLANs. Okay, let me show for guest one. Okay, we will go for the as same the file server. Okay, desktop, command prompt, ping, paste. Okay. Okay, as we see here, it's showing that destination host unreachable. Like this is what we wanted, which is the guests they cannot like they cannot ping or configure anything internal VLANs. Okay, this is why which it happening is because of the ACL contains. That means let me show you how it works. Okay, why it is not letting and why it's letting some. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, and now I will show you the uh why it's letting some to ping and some pieces to not ping, because I already put the ACLs like which is exactly can the router process it. Okay, let me show you. Okay, sorry, show uh, access. Okay, so for from here you can see that these are the IP address that each VLANs are denied. So for example, VLAN 10 denied this IP address, denied VLAN 20 denied this IP address. So which means all the guests are not allowed to ping with these VLANs. Next, I just want to tell like I want to conclude like in this secure network architecture uses VLANs, segmentation, router sub interfaces, ACL filtering, secure protocols, and continuous monitoring to protect the company's sensitive financial data. The design is simple, practical, and scalable, and aligned with major security principles such as least privilege, zero trust, and defense in depth. That's all for me, Doctor. Thank you.